Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix eSIM not working issue on your Apple devices. So guys, if you're trying to activate your eSIM or you're trying to use your eSIM on your iPhone but you are unable to use it or it is not working, here I will show you how can you fix such problems on your Apple device. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this issue. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply update your software to the latest version. So guys, for that, open settings in your device and now tap on general, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version, and if there is any update available for you, simply update it. And after this, go back and tap on about and check if there is any career updates for you on your Apple device, and you have to simply update the career updates of your career settings in your device as well. So let's do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your general section again and now scroll it below, and then you have to tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. Scroll it below and tap on language and region. Tap on region and select your country or region correctly. And after this, go back and tap on VPN and device management and tap on VPN and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. And if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open your general section again and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and tap on reset network settings and enter your code of your iPhone and reset network settings of your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that you have to simply press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.